Sigbege, make una sigbege. Sigbege, make una sigbege for Naija. Good day, Nigerians. Good day, Africa. Solidarity forever. One love with better style. Buhari don fall out o. Buhari don show. Buhari don fall out to represent himself. He don come to leave him trademark like the way he do am from 1983 reach 1985. And the way it start from 2015 to this present moment now, 2018. Some days ago, in fact 4 days ago, Oshomole, the new APC national chairman, go consult with selected Senate President Bukola Saraki, say make him not decamp go the new APC wey dey form now, or either PDP. And Bukola Saraki no give Oshomole the kind answer wey Oshomole want or wey dey find. 2 days after that meeting, now the IGP, the Inspector General of Police, Idris, write another letter go give Saraki, say they still need am for that of a case robbery, make him defend himself, make him answer some question. After they don't fair apologize to him before over that matter. Now, this morning, as we dey speak now, this morning, they still dey there now if they never arrest anybody. DSS, policemen, and Nigeria Army dey front of Saraki house now for Maitama for Abuja. They block him car, may not come out from house, may not go House of Assembly, or may not go National House of Assembly, because now the new APC wey dey form and PDP number don high pass the original APC number for House of Senate and House of Representatives now. So Buhari dey fear, thinking say they wan impeach am now, because if Saraki no defect or Saraki no tell them wetin they wan hear, whether he go still stay for APC or whether he wan move ahead now. And as they dey for Saraki has blocked Saraki now so they still block the deputy Senate President Ekweremadu. They still blocking convoy now this morning now. Buhari don fall out by fire, by force, by thunder. Who no dey Buhari side wey get any scon for head or wey get any skeleton for a cupboard? Buhari won't get them down now. Nigeria, this na democracy. This na the era wey be say everything is supposed to follow due process, constitution, and law and order. But to show na say Buhari still get that in military mind. Buhari still get that bad intention wey he practice for 1983 to 1985. Now, Buhari dey use force, dey condition people. Buhari dey use force, dey collect people to inside. Buhari no dey let the rules of law play. Buhari dey force people against their wish and their opinion. I am not denying or defending Saraki, neither am I defending Ekweremadu. They have embezzled Nigerian money. Saraki is guilty of corruption. Ekweremadu is guilty of corruption. Now wey their eye don clear, wey be like say fire wan dey come catch them. They come dey try, they want dey do the right thing, or they make us believe say they do the right thing. They have not been doing anything. They have been wasting Nigerian money, wasting Nigerians' time, disrespecting the constitution. Now wey they don't bring fire for fire Buhari, wey value cow pass human being. Now their eye don't clear now. All of them want they adjust. Nigerian youth, I implore you, I beg you, I encourage you. Let's stand up. The world is not going to end tomorrow. Those of una wey think say the world go soon end, e no go end. We still get a long way to go. And na the poor people dey suffer. The common man na dey suffer. Make una tight una seat belt. Make una wear una armor, hold una shield. make we face these tyrants, make we face these people legally and get our freedom. Africa unite, Nigeria be wise, solidarity forever, one love with better style.